Hello dear students, how are you today? Today we are gonna solve Cumulative Assessment 2 till lessons 3 and 4, Unit 1. Let's start. Number 1. Put true for the correct statement and wrong or false for the incorrect statement. A. 37 and 906 thousandths equals 30 plus 7 plus 0.9 plus 0.6. Of course, this will be incorrect because this 6 in thousands. So when we write this 6, we can write 0.006. Let's move to the next question. B. 306 plus 3 tenths plus 6 thousandths equals 306 and 306 thousandths. Yeah, it will be true. Let's move to C. When we multiply by 10, that means I will move the decimal point one digit to the right. So the right answer must be 235.1. Is this the same answer? This will be wrong. So right here, false. Let's move to D. The value of the whole number increased when dividing. When we divide, the number becomes smaller, so it will be decreased. Or increased when we multiply. So decreased with dividing, but increased with multiplication. Okay, so this will be wrong. Let's move to number 2. Complete. 3.7 divided by 10 equals, we said that the decimal point will move to right when we multiply and it will move to left when we divide. Here we are gonna divided by 10. 3.7 divided by 10, that means I will move the decimal point to the left only one digit. So the answer will be 0.37. B. When we multiply, here we have 2 zeros, so I will move 2 digits. So let's move this decimal point 2 digits to the right. 1, 2. So the answer will be 2,516.4. C. 7 thousandths and 48 hundredths. And means decimal point. And it separates between the whole part and the decimal part. So to solve this, we will replace and with the decimal point. So we write here the decimal point. The whole part will be 7 thousandths. So write here 7,000. And the decimal part will be 48 hundredths. So I write 48. So the answer will be 7,048 hundredths. D. In 452 and 9 hundredths, the digit 5 is in which place? This digit 5 in the tenths place. And its value is what? Because this digit in tenths, so its value will be 50. Let's move to E. 57 and 246 thousandths. The digit 6 represents, this digit 6 represents what? Of course, it is in the thousandths place right here. It represents thousandths. 5,000 plus 20,000 plus 0.9 plus 6 plus 0.001. This 5,000 is a whole, and this 20,000 is a whole, and this 6 is a whole. But this 0.9 is a decimal, and this 0.001 also is a decimal. So we will write a decimal point here. It separates between the whole and the decimal. The whole will be 25,006. So right here, 25,006. And the decimal will be 901 thousandths. So let's move to the next question number 3. In the following problem, record the number in the place value chart. This place value chart, which is this table. And decompose. I will decompose this number, which is 17 and 439 thousandths. At first, I will decompose the number. Let's decompose this number. It will be 17.439. We finished number 1. Number 2, in the expanded form. So let's start to write this in the expanded form. 1 will be 10 and this 7 will be 7. Let's move to the decimal. This 4 will be 0.4, this 3 will be 0.03, and this 9, which in thousands, will be 0.009. We finished the expanded form. And in another way, so let's write this in another way. We can write 17 as it is and cut the decimal. 0.4 plus 0.03 plus 0.009. We finished the another way. Then answer the questions. Let's move to the questions. What is the value of 3? The value of the 3, which in hundredths, equals 0.03. What does the digit 4 represent? This digit 4 represents, it will be tenths. Letter E. What is the value of the digit in the thousandths place? Where is the digit which in thousandths place? It is 9. What about its value? Its value will be 0.009. The value of the digit 4, which is 0.4, increased or decreased when we dividing by 10? We said that when we divide, the number will be smaller, so it will be decreased. But if we multiplied, the number will be bigger, and I will choose increased. So 0.4 decreased when dividing by 10 from 0.4 to 0.04. Do you know why? Because we divided 0.4 by 10. So the answer will be, I will move the decimal point 1 digit to the left. The decimal point will be here. It will be 0.04. So it moved from tenths to thousandths. That's all for today, and see you next session. Bye bye.